On my first day alone, I learned a lot. I learned how to change oil, of course, and then rotate tires, take them off, put them back on, do brake checks, coolant flushes, check the battery, remove corrosion from the battery as well, and just all sorts of different things.
So what I'm teaching him is kind of what I do on a daily basis and what he will see if he decides to become a technician here. I'm teaching him, what to look for, what to check, and how I do things.
We're big with the community. We're more than welcoming to have anybody see what we're about, whether it be in the sales department or service department. But speaking for the service department myself, I'm always doors open for students to come in and see what we're all about.
The best way to get in is just to get your foot in the door, which is starting with oil changes and stuff like that. But I mean, just this experience paired with the classes I took in high school would really help me kind of find a position to start out in the industry.